Here is lesson 49 for clarinet. We will play numbers 115, 116, and 117. You should have already looked through these, so let's do it. 115, 1, 2, ready. Did you hear some wrong notes? If you did, chances are you didn't look at the key signature at the beginning. First thing you always do when you look at a piece of music is find the key signature. If you're not playing in the right key signature, you might as well not play the music. Okay? Because if we're playing in the wrong key signature, it makes the music sound really, really bad, as I'm sure you just learned. Okay? Now, if you did play it correctly, congratulations, you've learned what you were supposed to over all of these lessons. Okay, so let's try it again. 115. You see your key signature, you will use your key signature and you'll play F sharps. You see your piano dynamics, we will keep it soft. Here we go, 115. 1, 2, ready. Alright, now hopefully you're seeing all those key signatures, and as I said before, if you have already done it, congratulations. If you haven't, you're behind now. So you need to make sure that you're getting these key signature changes. Alright, going on to 116, we have a different key signature. Okay, we have slurs, we have dynamics, accents, the DC all fine at the end. You should always look all the way through your music so you know what's going to happen. If you just play these videos and play along with them, you're not getting anything out of it. You might as well not do the videos. So make sure that you are studying the music. All right, for 115 and 116, we have our dotted quarter eighth notes. So you know that goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? Or in the case of 116, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Make sure that you can count through that correctly without me doing it, and then you'll be in good shape. Let's play 116. 1, 2, ready. Now, did you try to repeat the first time? If you did, you didn't look at it all the way through. There is no repeat sign, just that double bar, which tells you that it's the final bar, fine. Okay, before we get on to 117, let's talk about our code word. Our code word is phrasing. You've heard me talk about phrases before, and phrasing and how it relates to breathing. Big thing I want you to know about phrasing is that is how we breathe. Okay? When we play a phrase, which is usually 4 measures, we'll breathe at the end of that. That's a phrase. Now, when we use correct phrasing, we're breathing in such a way that it agrees with the music. If there should be a clear break between phrases, then we'll do that. If it shouldn't be, then some people will breathe after, some will breathe before, called stagger breathing, so that the phrases connect. Okay, so phrasing is your code word. All right, 117. For clarinets only. You should look through this. This is what your music should look like if you had an F sharp in the key signature. Yes, it's in the key signature, which means that all Fs are sharp. However, if you miss some of them, write it in. Like for instance on this piece, they've written in almost all the F sharps for you. It's okay to write in sharps. I do that on a lot of my music. Okay, here we go, 117. 1, 2, ready. Fairly simple. Make sure you're playing piano. Keep a nice steady beat. Make sure you're tapping your foot, counting in your head, and then you're good to go. That was lesson 49. Thanks for joining me.